Value, value, value. That's what Amazon has used to get to the top, and although it sounds simple at first, if you don't understand it, it's impossible to market your business effectively. We're gonna first look at how Amazon uses it, and then at the end of the video, we'll see some real-world examples of how you can apply this concept of value to your own marketing efforts. Also guys, if you hear a baby crying in the background, that's my 2-month-old son. He's had some gas this morning, so bear with me. So first, let me ask you, why do you choose Amazon over eBay or simply getting in your car and driving to the store? You could argue for a long list of reasons, but I can tell you right now, they all boil down to this one concept, and that is value. Now, traditionally, value is an economic concept, but today we're going to be applying it to marketing to make it a little bit more interesting. Now, I know most of you probably find economics boring, so living up to the name of this channel, I promise to keep this next section really short. So there are two primary theories of value, labor and utility. The labor theory claims that value comes from the amount of work or labor that goes into the production of a product, while utility claims that value comes from the amount of usefulness that a consumer receives from a product. Now, this is just my opinion, but the labor theory of value is trash. Sorry, Carl. If you guys haven't tried Turkish coffee, you should. Now, again, this isn't a video on economics, so I won't get too deep into it, but let's just say that you bought that back massager on Amazon, not because of how hard people worked to produce it, but because it relieves your back pain after a long day of work and is therefore inherently useful to you. So how does Amazon do this, and how can you apply it to your own marketing efforts? Now, Amazon adds value primarily through two things: their Prime shipping and of course their customer service. Those two things are inherently useful to Amazon's customers. So take a look at this Amazon marketing email that I received about Alexa. It's worded, "Let Alexa help you get things done for the holidays." It's not worded in a way that asks me to add value to Amazon, but instead on how Amazon's Alexa can add value to me. So now let me give you two examples and see if you can identify the differences between the two. I will be using the context of contacting a new client to offer video production services. Here's a snippet of the first email. "I feel like I could really add value to your business through my video content. Please have a look at my portfolio to see the type of content and quality I can offer you. I would love to discuss any needs you have further." Okay, so that sounds pretty standard. Now, what if I chose to word the email like this instead? "Normally I charge between $1,000 and $3,000 per video, but I would be willing to do the first video for free to earn your business and prove the value that I can offer you." Do you see the difference? The first email is claiming to add value, but it's really just saying, "Hire me and pay me money," while the second is actually giving value. I'm asking the potential client if I can give them value for free, no strings attached. And that brings me to the point of this video. Your marketing efforts must add value to the consumer. I see this all the time where people will ask the customer to give them value rather than the other way around. For your marketing efforts to be effective, they must give value rather than ask for it. Lastly, guys, make sure to check out the link in the description to join our Discord group where you can ask me and others in our community about your specific marketing questions and collaborate with like-minded people. Thanks.